How to change your name on Roblox mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change your name on Roblox mobile. To change your name on Roblox mobile, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you want to do is, first thing, want to come to the Roblox application and log into your account. When you are logged in, this is gonna take you to the home page. So here, you simply want to click on the more button from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go to settings. So here it is, and then you want to go to account info from the tab. When you go to the account info section, you could find a list of options. Now there are two different options in order to change your name, whether you want to change the display name or your username. First of all, if you want to go with the display name, you simply want to click on the pencil icon right in the corner, and there you have this option to change it. You could erase the one and then go and make changes. Since there is certain restrictions, when you change your username, you have to wait for at least 7 days in order to replace it. So I'll not be able to change it now. And then if you want to change the username, you could go and do that as well, but you'll have to need your Robux. So you have to actually have this amount of Robux, and you can go and click on the buy button. Then you could make sure to change your name on your Roblox. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.